Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are solving exercise 2.4, question number 2. That is one question in this exercise, but regarding this, there are three questions are resembling to this question or this type, which in the review exercise they are also important. First, I explain this question. Then, regarding this question, I will give you one assignment that you will make perfect, inshallah. Okay, we have to start the question of the solution of that one. The first step, as I told you before, in the rules of the exponents, if any denominator shift to the numerator, then what's change in its power? Sign change. Good. So, first use equal sign, x exponent a. When this dot indicate the sign of multiplication, and this x, its power become minus b. Its power become minus b. So use the bracket and same a plus b. Right? Multiplication sign again, x exponent b, same. So this dot indicate the sign of multiplication. We make it numerator. What we will do? Make it numerator. When it will become numerator, so what's change? Its sign will be negative. Exponent sign will be negative. Be careful. Exponent sign negative, not variable sign negative. Sometimes students are doing mistake. They are writing minus x. So minus x is absolutely wrong. Exponent sign will be changed and the power will remain same. C, and here we will also make this denominator into numerator. So what change occur in its power? Minus a. Good. First step finish. What is the second step of this question? The second step of this question is that we have to make a single variable. Single variable when two variables are multiplying, so add its exponent. Add its exponent. So how to add? X a plus minus minus, so you can write directly a minus b. And power multiply with power. This bracket indicate that its power is multiplying by its power. So a plus b, and we will use another bracket which multiply a plus b. I make the two steps. First I will make that one combine. Due to multiplication, add its power. Why I wrote minus? Because plus minus minus, so you can write it directly. No issue. Sign of multiplication, you will use the sign of multiplication dot, because this sign indicate that maybe that x, it will be confused. So that's why use the dot sign for multiplication or bracket. Both are correct. Here also same change, b minus c, and power multiply by with power. So b plus c. Correct? After that, x c minus a, and power will multiply by its power. So c plus a. All of you clear till here? I repeat that this x and x both are the same variable. These x are the same variable. Sign of multiplication. So what we will do? Just combine. So what is the rule of combination? When the variables are same, add its power. Variable same, add its power. Variable same, add its power. And the second rule, power is multiplied by its power. So a minus b is the power of this. Due to this bracket, multiply by its power, a plus b. There is one formula, a minus b into a plus b. What is that formula? A square minus b square. So formula I can write it, another marker. Formula you will write like that. This is the formula, x plus y, because otherwise formula I am writing in A form, because A form is given that one, that's x minus y. According to formula it will become x square minus y square. I want to use this formula here, here and here. So what I will get the result? As a result, x is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So according to this formula, square of first element minus square of second element. So a square minus b square. Correct? Good. Again sign of multiplication. B square minus c square. Same formula apply. And the same formula result is also applying here. Sign of multiplication. C square minus a square. If you will see that one, x, all variables are same. Which operation between them? Multiplication. If the operation is multiplication and variables are same, so how to combine? Add its exponent, right? Single time x and add its exponent. What is the exponent of this one? A square minus b square. Its exponent we will add. So plus sign due to this multiplication and a variable same. Add b square minus c square. Also add its exponent. Plus c square minus a square. Right? Now we will check that. What is the cancellation? Minus b square cancel by plus b square, and minus c square cancel by plus c square, a square cancel by minus a square. Correct? So what's remaining? All are cancelled. So x exponent 0. And any variable whose exponent is equal to 0. So what's its answer? 1. Absolutely right. Its answer is equal to 1. Good. So now, hope all of you understand. By seeing the same procedure and solve one assignment. What is the assignment? Assignment is that here x raised power a and x raised power b. So I will make a little change. X a raised power a, and here x raised power minus b, and whole power a minus b. I will change the sign. Okay? Then after that the second term is also same. X exponent b, denominator minus c, and whole power b minus c. And the third term again x and x exponent c, numerator exponent c, denominator minus a, and whole power c minus a. This is your assignment. Procedure is same to same, so you have to see the same procedure and solve this question.